In this video we're going to look at how you can hide and show different elements of both desktop and mobile. So if we have a look at this form by opening the Actions menu and previewing it, we can see here how it's going to look on both desktop and mobile. So this is a desktop preview. If we hop over to mobile, you can see here it operates on a fluid layout. So perhaps we're showing too much content. On mobile, it would be nice if perhaps we don't show this banner here and just show the main subscribe form. So we show a cut down version of the form for smaller screen resolutions. Let's find out how we do that. So let's close the preview menu here. And this is the block here that we want to hide on mobile. So mouse over it, click on edit. If we hop over to the style tab on this block, we'll see here every block has a display option. By default, desktop and mobile are highlighted in red, so this means they're switched on. If we click on the mobile option here, we can see this is now toggled to hide on mobile. So let's save and close it. Now let's have a look at how our form looks now. So let's open the Actions menu and preview our form. Okay, so we can see on desktop the form doesn't look any different, that's correct. Now if we go over to mobile, we can see our graphic is hidden on mobile for the smaller screen resolutions. So we just show a cut down version of our form showing the most important bits. Okay, there we go. That's how we can customize the show and hide different blocks feature for our form.